Ever found yourself staring at your phone, a knot of frustration tightening in your stomach, needing to reach your bank right now, but you can't find the blasted phone number? It's like they hide it on purpose, right? Maybe you're locked out of your account, or there's a suspicious transaction you need to report, or maybe, just maybe, you've forgotten your password for the 10th time this month. Whatever it is, you need to talk to a real person, and you need to do it fast. We've all been there. In today's digital age, where everything's supposed to be instant and seamless, contacting customer support can feel like navigating a maze designed by a particularly mischievous minotaur. You click through endless FAQs, you get bounced between automated menus, and you might even find yourself talking to a chatbot that seems to understand about as much as a goldfish. And let's face it, when it comes to your finances, you don't want to play guessing games. You want answers, and you want them now. Especially when you're dealing with something like a Rocket account, which is designed to be fast and efficient. Ironically, finding the direct phone number can sometimes be the slowest part. So, you've probably searched high and low, scoured the website, maybe even dug through old emails, all in a desperate attempt to find that elusive string of digits. You've asked yourself, is it really this hard to find a phone number? And the answer, frustratingly, is often yes. But don't worry, you're not alone. And more importantly, you're in the right place. Today, we're going to cut through the noise and get straight to the point. We're going to find out, what is the phone number for Rocket account support? Before we dive into the specific number, let's talk about why finding a bank's phone number can be so challenging. In the age of digital banking, companies are increasingly pushing customers towards self-service options. They want you to use their apps, their websites, their FAQs, and their chatbots. It reduces their overhead, and in theory, it should make things faster for you. But the reality is, sometimes you just need to talk to a human. You need that personal touch, that reassurance that someone is actually listening to your problem and working to solve it. And let's be honest, those automated systems aren't always perfect. They can misinterpret your requests, they can get stuck in loops, and they can leave you feeling more frustrated than when you started. Plus, when it comes to sensitive issues like fraud or account security, you want the peace of mind of talking to a real person. You want to know that your problem is being handled by someone who understands the urgency of the situation. So, what's the solution? How do you cut through the digital clutter and get the phone number you need? Well, the first step is often to start with a good old-fashioned search. But even that can be tricky. You might find outdated numbers, or numbers for different departments, or even numbers for third-party services that claim to be affiliated with your bank. The key is to be specific. Instead of just searching for Rocket account, try searching for Rocket account customer support phone number or Rocket account contact number. And don't just rely on the first result you see. Look for official sources, like the bank's website or their official social media pages. Speaking of the official website, that's usually the best place to start. Look for a Contact Us or Support section. It might be hidden in the footer, or it might be tucked away in a menu, but it's usually there somewhere. Once you find it, you might be presented with a range of options, including FAQs, email support, and live chat. But keep digging, and you should eventually find the phone number. Now, here's the crucial part. The phone number for Rocket account customer support is, insert the correct phone number here. Make sure you write it down, save it in your contacts, or take a screenshot. You never know when you might need it. But what if you can't find the phone number on the website? Or what if you're calling outside of business hours? Well, there are a few other options you can try. First, check the bank's mobile app. Many apps have a Contact Us section that includes the phone number and other support options. Second, try reaching out on social media. Many banks have active social media accounts, and they often respond to customer inquiries through direct messages or comments. Third, if you have a branch nearby, you can always visit in person. While this might not be the most convenient option, it can be helpful if you need face-to-face assistance. And finally, if you're really stuck, you can try contacting the bank's general customer service line. They might be able to redirect you to the appropriate department. Now, once you have the phone number, here are a few tips for calling customer support. Be prepared, have your account number, your personal information, and any relevant documents ready. Be clear and concise, explain your problem clearly and calmly. Be patient, customer support lines can be busy, so be prepared to wait. Take notes, write down the name of the person you spoke to, the date and time of the call, and any important information they gave you. Follow up, if your problem isn't resolved, follow up with a call or email. So, to recap. Finding a bank's phone number can be challenging, but it's not impossible. The best place to start is the bank's official website. Be specific when searching for the phone number online. Check the bank's mobile app and social media pages for contact information. Be prepared when calling customer support. And remember, you're not alone. We've all been frustrated by the complexities of modern customer service. But with a little patience and persistence, you can get the help you need. Ultimately, the most important thing is that you have access to your money and that you feel secure. And knowing how to contact your bank directly is a crucial part of that. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.